Now, next method is when q of x is equal to e power ax into v, where v is a function of x, right? A product of two functions. One is exponential function, another is v. Here that means v may be a trigonometric function or may be a polynomial or may be a or some other function, right? Now, first one is an exponential function and the other function is a trigonometric or polynomial function, right? Now in this case, how you are going to find the particular integral? Just concentrate on this one. Particular integral is equal to, what is the formula? 1 by f of d into q of x, no? Right. Implies particular integral is denoted by yp is equal to 1 by f of d. Here q of x is what? E power ax into v, no? Right. Now implies yp is equal to 1 by d plus a, right? Now you can write like this, that implies yp is equal to e power ax. First of all you are writing 1 by f of d plus a into v, right? You have to remember this one. Now, exponential function we are taking outside this d 1 by f of d and we are replacing d by what? D plus a. This is very very important one. Into remaining thing is v. Now, we'll see one example. Solve d square minus 2d plus 1 into y is equal to e power x into x square, right? Now this is a given equation. Now this given equation can be written as 1, that implies this in the form of f of d into y is equal to q of x, right? Now here that implies f of d is equal to d square minus 2d plus 1 and q of x is equal to e power x into x square. Now here concentrate, it is in the form of product of two different functions. One is exponential function, another one is a polynomial function. Now here we are concentrating on only particular integral, right? I am least bothered about complementary function, right? One particular integral is equal to yp is equal to 1 by f of d into q of x, no? Right. Implies yp is equal to 1 by f of d means what? D square minus 2d plus 1 into q of x means what? E power x into x square, right? Product, once again it is right hand side, q of x is a product of two different functions, right? Now you know the formula, yp is equal to, first of all you are writing e power x outside this one, 1 by, what is the procedure here? The procedure is d is replaced by d plus a. What is a here? Coefficient of x in exponential function. What is the coefficient of x here? Here a value is equal to 1. In exponential function e power x, the coefficient of x is 1. Now d is replaced by what? D plus 1. Remember, d is replaced by d plus 1, d plus 1 whole square minus 2 into, again this d is replaced by d plus that 1. That means a value is 1, no? Right. Plus 1 into remaining thing is x square as it is, x square as it is. Now implies yp is equal to e power x as it is, 1 by this d plus 1 whole square formula, d square plus 2d plus 1 minus here 2d, we are multiplying inside, minus 2d and no need to bracket, minus 2d minus 2, minus into plus 1 is minus 2 and remaining one is plus 1, this is minus 2, no bracket here, into x square. Now here minus 2d gets cancelled, right? Now here this is 1, this is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, this is minus 2, these are gets cancelled. Remaining thing is d square only. Please concentrate, important concept. Now that implies yp is equal to e power x into 1 by remaining thing is d square only, right? Here minus 2d gets cancelled, here minus 2 plus 2 also gets cancelled. Remaining thing is what? X square. Now that implies yp is equal to e power x into 1 by d into x is 1 by d square. A simple one. 1 by d is nothing but integration. 1 by d square means 2 times integration with respect to x. That implies yp is equal to e power x into, first time if you integrate, what you will get? X square integration is x cube by 3 into dx implies yp is equal to e power x into, again integration, x power 4 by 4. Now that implies yp is equal to e power x into x power 4 by 12. This is particular integral. If you want general solution, what is general solution? Y is equal to yc plus yp, where yc is a complementary function and yp is a particular integral, right?